What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over the 5 reasons why you're not making money with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, these 5 reasons are some of the top reasons after coaching hundreds of students privately and just going through the motions with lots of newbies and just like really getting their hang-ups. So I'm gonna bring up those really top 5 reasons, like from learning from them. So it's kind of like you guys can learn from somebody who already know what the hangups usually are with CPA marketing. So you can just follow along with this video, and at the end of this video you'll know exactly what to watch out for and what you need to do to start making money with CPA affiliate marketing. All right, so I am driving in this video, so I'm gonna try to keep it a little safe. I'm gonna try to drive a little slower and stuff like that. I just had to go run to BMW today, get my oil change. So the first reason why I believe people are not making money with CPA marketing is because they're not getting enough traffic, right? So of course I've been preaching paid traffic and things like that, but not only do you need to be getting that paid traffic, you need to be consistent with that traffic, right? A lot of people are setting up ads and you're not like focusing on getting a consistent amount of clicks per day to your actual offer, right? So what you really need to focus on, and I believe like your first step goal, is just that 100 clicks a day milestone, right? So just focus on, a week straight, a month straight, not even a week, that's too quick, a month straight of just, getting 100 clicks per day to whatever offer you may choose, whatever funnel you may set up. Just get 100 clicks a day to the actual funnel. Then after 2 weeks, you're literally going to have over 1,000 clicks. It should be hundreds of thousands of impressions. So you should be able to know, okay, is this campaign worth my time? Is it not worth my time? But if you're the type of person where you're getting 100 clicks, you're turning ads off, you're looking for a whole new campaign after 30 clicks, no sales, or even the type of person who you have a working campaign, because I've seen this before, people, they're making money, but they can't afford paying for their ads for the week. So they cut their ads off. And once they do that, they mess up the optimization. They say, well, if I cut the ads off and start it back up, will that hurt my ad? Yes, it will hurt your ad. Now, sometimes you can't just turn it back on and everything just go back to normal. But majority of the time, when you cut off your ad, the first 2 weeks of your ad is like optimizing and learning and figuring out which audience best reacts to your ad. Is Facebook, getting you in the algorithm, or Google getting you in the algorithm. So if you keep turning off your ads, and if you turn off your ad, basically you're going to mess up the algorithm, right? So don't ever turn your ad off. The first thing you need to focus on is getting a set amount of number of clicks per day. So if that's 100 clicks a day, focus on that for this next month. Just focus on getting that many clicks. If you don't have enough budget, then maybe you could scale it down a little bit, but I suggest getting a consistent amount of traffic, because the number one thing that's going to hinder you from making money in this game consistently is going to be, are you sending those clicks consistently? Because if you're not making money every single day, I can guarantee you're not sending a bunch of clicks every single day. The reason why I make money every day and I'm able to do this full time is because I don't play about my traffic. I get traffic every single day. I don't play around about getting clicks. When things are getting slow, or I see things slowing down, I optimize my ads, I scale my ads. Like, you have to continuously work on improving that traffic, getting more traffic, because that's what's important. Now that actually leads into my second thing, which is, if you're getting enough traffic and you're sending 100 clicks per day, then the reason you're not making money is maybe the offer is simply just bad. If you sent 1,000 clicks to the offer and the offer hasn't converted once, out of all those people that went to the offer, that offer can be bad. So make sure you have a proven affiliate manager offer. Hit your affiliate managers up, let them know what traffic source you're running on, and they will tell you what offers actually work with that traffic source, so you can go do some competitive intelligence. Now, if you don't have an affiliate manager, or your affiliate manager isn't getting back to you, what I suggest you do is the similar web tactic, which is you just check the offer on similar web and just make sure that other affiliates are actually running that offer, is getting traffic. Because if you see other affiliates are running that offer, do some competitive intelligence on your traffic source or other traffic sources just to make sure that that affiliate offer is actually getting traffic, because you could actually be running a dead offer and not even really know it, and you check it on SimilarWeb and nobody's actually like running that offer. So you want to make sure other affiliates are running that offer, and you don't want to be just the first one on that offer, because you want to make sure it works. You want to make sure it's converting. So if it's working and converting for other affiliates, it's a high chance that it's going to work for you, especially if you can do some competitive intelligence and get the same exact funnels and swipe, improve, deploy. Don't forget what I said in my last video, right? So make sure your offer is working good, and that can lead into the next thing, which is really, your funnel is just not good. Your ad, your landing page. Now, you could be a newbie out there who don't know anything about pages, and that's the reason why you're failing. Your page just looks terrible. I've seen this happen tons of times. People have typos in their pages and things like that. Like, make sure your pages are actually like set up for success. Make sure, if you can, do competitive intelligence so you can already get high converting pages from other affiliates, so you don't have to create a page from scratch. That's the technique that I use. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just do what you see other people doing. And I know I keep looking straight because I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road, so I'm trying to be safe while I make this video here. But yeah, just make sure your funnels are high converting. Make sure your offer is high converting, so that you're not wasting your time getting traffic for no reason and it's not even going to convert. Now, the next thing, and I think this is number 4 reason why you're not making money with CPA, is because you're simply just testing wrong, or you're launching your campaigns wrong on your traffic source, such as your targeting. Your ad isn't really speaking to their audience and stuff like that. So make sure when you're setting up your actual campaigns that you're launching these strategically, you're testing strategically. If you don't have an exact process for testing and getting results with your ads, what I want you to do is get inside the Mogul Academy. What Mogul Academy is going to teach you is going to teach you my campaign structure, so you can see how I launch all my campaigns, especially during the testing phase, because that's important. I don't just launch 1, 2 ads. Like, I have a strategic process on how I launch my ads, whether it's native ads, whether it's Google ads, whether it's Facebook ads, TikTok. Like, make sure that you're paying attention to the videos in my Mogul Academy so you can see how to launch and test effectively, because if you mess up on this, you can literally end up wasting hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, just literally down the drain, especially if you have a high converting funnel, you have a good ad, you swiped it from another winning affiliate, so you have everything right and you're still not making money, you're sending the clicks. It could simply be you're not testing right, your interest is off, your targeting is off, and things like that. So make sure you're inside Mogul Academy. And also, when you're inside Mogul Academy, you get a free call with me. So if you want to go over targeting or anything like that, you'll be able to do that as well. Now, another reason why you might not be making money with CPA marketing is because you don't know how to read your stats correctly and optimize. So of course I have that inside Mogul Academy, but for just like a freebie for everybody out there, just make sure, like, when you do get those conversions and you do see stats start coming through, that you're reading it correctly, you're reading your reports. A lot of people, when they get on, we get on our private coaching call and things like that, they don't even know how to look at their metrics. They don't even know how to view their performance of their ads. They don't even know what to click on. So that just goes to show that a lot of people don't know how to get the stats that they need to become successful with CPA marketing. You have to know how to read your metrics. You have to know the key performance indicators, what they're telling you, because if you don't know your KPIs, you're literally going to be just throwing money down the drain, and you can have something that's working and going to be a winner, but because you're so new, you don't understand how to read your KPI. So, you may have a winner and stuff may be actually working for your campaign, but it's simply just, falls through and you turn the traffic off or you move on to something else simply because you couldn't read the stats. And I've seen this happen numerous times, especially when you're new. It's really hard to know what you're looking at, what to look for in a winning ad if you have never had a winning campaign before. Now, some of the important metrics that you're definitely going to look at is your, your cost per click. Make sure you're not paying too much per click. Your earnings per click within the affiliate network. You want to pay attention to that. Your click-through rate, right? Just different metrics you're going to want to make sure you're paying attention to, because those are going to be the important determining factors for your actual ads. You don't want to sit here and just waste money and time setting up all these different ads, testing, you know, all these different interests and everything like that. And then once you finally do get some conversions, you just simply don't know what to do, you know, to further optimize and scale your ad and get more conversions out of that campaign, right? So I know I said 5 reasons why you're not making money, but I'm gonna just throw a bonus in there just because you guys watched this whole entire video. I'm gonna throw another bonus in there, and it's simply just low faith and belief. You're not making money because you simply have low faith in CPA working all together. Half of you guys have 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You really don't even really believe this even works, or, you know what I'm saying, or it could possibly change your life. Even if you probably see me change my life, you probably think, well, that's you, Chanel. You can do things like that. You know, you're smart or you're different, when really I'm no different than any of you guys. Like I said, I used to work in a freaking warehouse. I used to drive a beat up car. I used to didn't have no money. I literally quit my job to do CPA marketing. So it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows for me. I didn't start out on the up and up. I didn't have a budget. I had to scrape by. I had to sell things on eBay, right? Just to get money to fund my ads and things like that. I was doing the free tactics. I was spamming Craigslist. And even in those times, I had high faith because I knew CPA worked. I could see other affiliates out there crushing it, right? So as long as you see other affiliates out there crushing it, you know, showing you, hey, look, like I made this amount of money, you know, use that as motivation. Don't hate and say, oh, you're just bragging. I just want you guys to know faith and keeping faith is going to be key in this industry, because you can go through some money and it can look like it's all not working out, especially if you're new and you don't know what you're doing. So if you're somebody who is just getting started, start doing personal development very, very heavy in the beginning. That was something that really transformed my mind, because I had crazy thinking. You know, I felt like I didn't deserve to be rich and things like that subconsciously. Like, you may not be thinking this, you know, consciously in your mind, but you don't know what kind of hangups you have subconsciously. So always make sure you're working on your subconscious mind. Dig deep. Like, don't, like, sleep to affirmations type stuff. Like, wake up, do gratitude affirmations. Think about things you're grateful for. Pretty much all the time. Even like if you're losing money on your ads, or your offer may be bad, or your affiliate manager ain't hit you back yet, and you know you just discouraged, you probably got denied from an affiliate network, or you know, just anything can happen. Your ad account gets disabled. Anything can go wrong. Like, you literally have to have belief and faith that this is going to work for you. If you haven't made your first 6 figures, you can believe I'm going to make my first 6 figures this year in 2022. Like, it's still possible. Like, you can literally change your life at the snap of a finger. So I just want you guys to understand that belief and faith is like the 2 things that's going to go hand in hand with this business. And you know what I'm saying, if you believe you can find a winning campaign and an offer and run it on Facebook ads and become successful, then you absolutely 100% can. I'm living proof of it. It happened for me. So, I mean, I just feel like if it can happen for me, it can happen for anybody. Belief is very, very key. Okay, so that's pretty much all I got for this video. I just wanted to make a quick video while I'm out and about. Make sure you follow these 5 things that I went over and do all the tips that I suggest, because if you cannot fall into these hangups, I promise you, you will be making money and on your way to your first 6 figures with CPA affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's all I got for this video. Drop a comment, drop a like. If you got, you know, any questions, just leave it in the comments and stuff like that. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'm gonna be dropping more content on this channel very, very soon. All right, guys, so I'll see you on the next video. Peace.